All right, I'm going to do a little demonstration. I've got a 50 milliliter focal length, um, a concave mirror here, and I'm going to put it. Oh, you know what? I've got the track reversed. Let me turn it around. There we go. And I'm going to set it. I'm going to set it at the 1 inch mark. Not 1 inch. I'm sorry, the 0 centimeter mark. I've got it right there at the 0 centimeters. And now I've got this little half screen. You can see it's open, and you can just move this screen around, and this will allow part of the rays to reflect onto the screen. So let me just put this. I've got it just arbitrarily out of your view. I've got it at 16 centimeters, 160 millimeters. You know what? I was going to use a candle, but I may not even need the candle because I'll probably just use the blinds that are in the that are here in my dining room, and at some point they will come into focus, and you can actually see the image of the blinds. You can't see it over there, but I'll turn the computer around. Let's see where I can get the best image. You can see the blinds, and see if you can. It's a little hard to position there. You can see the blinds and a chair. Oops! If I move it, you'll see that it goes out of focus. I move it back, and let's get them in focus there. Right about there. Well, look, let's see where it ends up. And this is at 0, and this is at 5. It's a 50 millimeter lens, concave mirror. Now I'm going to go ahead and put, since I said I was going to do it with a candle, I'll just put the candle. We're going to put it at 100 centimeters, and can't reach the lighter. Here's the lighter. And now, not having moved the let's see if we can. I can see the candle. Let's move the little paper so that maybe we can get a better image of the candle. It's inverted. I don't know if let's see. You can see that bright dot on the right where the paper is. That is the candle. So it's the way we talked about all these rays coming in from a concave into a concave mirror, and they all gather here. They're like parallel light rays, but then they converge at a focal point, right? And that focal point is right here at 50 milliliters. So the radius of curvature is 10 centimeters, 100 millimeters. If I could somehow measure the radius of this curvature, it would be at 100, because the focal point is at 50 millimeters, 5 centimeters. Okay.